I wanted to show you this, Josh, real quick. Okay, so this is a pusher assembly for a shot fire. Basically, you have the aluminum pusher, and then you have the 17/32 that is engrooved, and then it's put into your plunger cup. So, what this is right here, this part right here, is what I use as a pusher for the Chronomag and the Mauser fire. It is 1/2 inch, .020 gauge, 316 grade stainless steel. Now, the trick, now you don't have to use stainless steel, but I wanted to show you the point, is I have all the throughput I want. I cut down the dead space on a Chronomag because the pusher is only about that long on a Chronomag, okay? So, by using the Katana Mag, and the Katana Mag ends right here, so when it's pushed, it's right here, okay? I'm lowering the dead space by going smaller this way. Instead of making this like 10 millimeters or 9 millimeters or, as Buddy Hang does, 7 millimeters, okay? And if you have it with too little constriction, especially with that 40 millimeter tube, it is going to have trouble getting air out of there. So on this, on the inside, is the same diameter as a 45 automatic. It is 11.25 millimeters, which is 45.125 inches on the inside. So what it does is it doesn't have as much constriction, yet it still has a little bit of a constriction to make the air go a little faster in there, and it's still steady. Now, 3D printed, I have seen a lot of people do pushers. This guy did a Prophecy pusher, and he decided to make it about .280 caliber on the inside, just bigger than 3/4, and he had so much trouble with it until he switched to a worker pusher, and then he was able to just fire away. But that constriction is like bandwidth. I mean, if you can imagine, like 1/2 inch would be like a 100 megabit fiber optic line, as where like 10 millimeter would be like a 25 megabit line, or like 1/3 of an inch would be like a 10 megabit line. And what I'm saying is, it's like computers, where it will only throw so much particle, molecular air through here at once. The smaller it is. It is a higher pressure, and it is less dead space, but when you're talking about a design like a Chronomag, you don't really, it's like a long shot. You don't really have to worry about dead space because you already have a lot of volume, and you're compressing that air a lot. So I hope these notes help you. But yeah, that's it right there. I get this at Industrial Metal Supply, and then I have a friend of mine, he hits this with a lathe, and he just sands it down, pretty much just with some 220, then 320, then 400 sandpaper. It's not really that much. And then also on the lathe, he just grinds this down with sandpaper right here, this front end, so that it curves in, it doesn't catch the dart, and it works great.